Hi everyone. So this is a quick unboxing and review of this Amber electric air blower. I got this from a local electric store here at Palanpur, Gujarat. This is a box and it advertises all the major specifications. Power is 550 watts here and it has a maximum operating speed of 11,000 RPM. The weight is approximately 1.3 kgs and a total airflow rate of 2.3 cubic meter per minute. The blower comes with a 6-month warranty from the manufacturer. Now they have also indicated that there are 2 free carbon brushes for the motor, but I was not able to find it here in the packaging, and neither did that shop owner tell me if it's available. So this is the unit, and the plastic quality is quite good, feels nice to hold, but this is a plastic extension of the blower here, and it's not flexible unlike the one that I have at home, which is made of rubber. This is plastic. It has a dual tone body of a black and yellow. They have the specifications indicated here on a sticker as well. Usually, when you hold this blower, the heft of it actually indicates its quality, because it will be built of a very nice and heavy armature along with heavy copper winding. The one blower that I have at home is slightly heavier in construction, and I could clearly feel it when I felt this one in hand. So please keep it in mind, when you hold the blower, it should really feel heavy, and that heft should indicate the quality. Here are the locations where you change the carbon brushes. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to remove these 2 plastic sockets, and your brushes would be inside. So very easy to replace. This is standard for most electric blowers here, and it comes with Phillips screws everywhere, standard. And you also have the ability, this is the switch right here, you also have the ability to lock it in place when it is turned on. I'd really advise not to use this, because it would turn on the electric motor inside for a longer duration. It's best to use these in controlled short bursts to prevent overheating of the motor inside. And it comes with a electric cord of 1.5 meter length, which is sufficient. But in case you need more length, it's always advisable to have a custom made cord. And they also have this rubber extension here where it enters into the body, which is always good to have, because it keeps flexing against the body everywhere when you operate it. So this is the 2-pin plug. Now let's connect it and test it out. So like I said, it's always good to have electric extension like this. Now what I've done is I have a 20 meter extension cord here, which I have made. And very simple, all you need is a 3-core cable. This is 1 square cable inside. You can see it here. So you can have anywhere from 1 to 1.5 square cable and have this extension here. So this can be used for various purposes. On one end you have a 6 ampere or a 16 ampere plug. Now let's test it out. You also get an instruction manual, a very simple leaflet, which gives you all the general safety rules and what are the different warning symbols, and even an exploded parts diagram indicating what are all the different components. And of course you have this guarantee card, which you can stamp along with the bill. Now I have the bill stapled here, so I have not got it stamped. These are the various other products from Amber. So you wouldn't be able to gauge the power unless you use it for blowing something. So the primary reason I got this blower was to clean my car's engine bay before I use degreaser to clean it. So I'm going to show you when I clean the engine bay using this blower.